Hi folks, Brenton Mastronardi, Chief Operating Officer for Billy Ellis Roofing, and we are here with Todd Miller, President of Classic Metal Roofing Products, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at the manufacturing facility for the shingles, and Todd's going to go ahead and show us that.
Thanks so much, Brenton. First of all, I want to say it's really a pleasure to have you here today. You know, we can have all of this to manufacture the best metal roofing systems out there, but unless we also have fantastic dealers out there marketing and installing them, it doesn't amount to anything. And Billy Ellis Roofing Systems, your company, has been a key customer and actually the largest dealer of our products in the entire world for a number of years. So it really pleases me a great deal to have you here today, and let's go take a look around.
Thanks so much. So Todd, first of all, I couldn't help but notice this 20-foot deep hole as we were walking by. Can you tell us a little bit about exactly what this is?
It is a little obvious, isn't it, Brenton?
A little bit.
This hole is what we call a pit, and you're correct, it's about 20 feet deep.
Gotcha.
And we are in the process of moving a new stamping press into our facility here, which will produce a metal shingle, much like the Country Manor Shake that your company installs. And this press will actually look a lot like the press that's in the distance here behind us. But it will be an additional machine like that that expands our facility and expands our stamping operation so that we can make more metal roofs to meet the demand that's out there.
So this is the before to that.
Exactly.
How much do they have to take out to make this hole?
There's a whole lot of dirt that came out of here. And the purpose for the hole is to provide the substructure and the undergirding for the press, because the press that's going in here is actually a 1,500-ton stamping press, which is a very, very large stamping press. And so this provides the support and the undergirding for that press.
Gotcha. Well, Todd, when Billy first started the company, he really looked for a product that he could really stand behind, that he could differentiate, and really grow his business based upon. And that product is the Country Manor Shake from Classic Metal Roofing. Your product, the product that this machine behind us produces. And it's really the linchpin of our relationship and really the core that has allowed us both to enjoy so much growth and such a great partnership through the years. So why don't you go ahead and talk a little bit about this machine and what it produces?
Sure. The Country Manor Shake is a product that we're extremely proud of. The machine behind me is an 800-ton stamping press. This stamping press is totally dedicated to producing our Country Manor Shake aluminum roofing system. This is a 4-way interlocking aluminum roofing system that consists of 12-inch by 48-inch interlocking panels that are installed on the roof to protect your home like armor plate. In looking at the Country Manor Shake production process, we actually start with flat metal that comes off the uncoiler, and then it feeds through a loop system that controls the metal as it goes into the press. As the metal goes into the press, the panel actually turns 90 degrees and goes through a series of progressive dies. There are actually 8 progressive dies inside of this press, with each die changing the part a little bit more from the previous part until we get the final part out at the end. This is probably one of the most complex metal stampings of any sort in building products or automotive or household appliances ever developed. This is an incredibly complex part. We are making a 12-inch by 48-inch panel about every 4 seconds off of this press when it's running. So again, you see the entire process here from flat metal going into the press, going through a series of 8 progressive dies, to at the end produce a beautiful, lasting, durable, and energy-efficient roofing system for your home. As we know, Brenton, our company ships product all over the world. We ship product to Japan, to Australia, to Europe, to South America, to Central America, all over the world. And Billy Ellis Roofing Systems still is our #1 dealer. So the thing that we've done to develop specific to you folks that is really, really unique and very, very special and shows the partnership between the two companies is the development of your own national brand, which is the Billy Ellis patented roofing system. And with this national brand, we really appreciate your help, because in essence what you're doing is you're going out and helping us to establish more dealers across the country, potentially across the world, to continue to sell the Country Manor Shake roofing system. And of course, you guys bring so much added value to the roofing system with your patented accessories, your patented trims, the insert, the styrofoam insert backer behind the panels, your Thermodeck system, which potentially can be used with Country Manor Shake as well. You folks just bring a myriad of additional value to the system. And that's what we bring to the Billy Ellis roofing system as well. How do you see your company kind of living into expanding this brand across the country?
Well, Todd, it is such an exciting partnership that we've enjoyed through the years. And really what it means to us is that we're in the field fulfilling the promise that you make to the customers in the factory. Your core values, the way that you run your company, the way that you run your business is really to deliver the best possible product to the customer. And that is our commitment as well. And through that commitment and growing the brand nationally, not only do we strengthen our partnership and grow our collective brands, but we do better to serve the customer. And that's ultimately what we're both in the game for.
So with this national brand, we continue to do what we do very well, which is manufacture the best roofing systems out there.
Right.
And you folks help to carry the brand and carry the marketing across the country and potentially the world.
That's it.
Well, we're pleased with that.
Thanks so much, Todd.